Hey guys, what's up? Let me guess, must be thinking about some delicious foods, right? Well, apart from eating and thinking, why don't we just start investing on food? Well, it is possible with an upcoming IPO. The Devyani International is going to bring its IPO with an issue size of almost 1800 crore. Well, then let's know about some facts and fundamentals about the company. The offer comprises a fresh issue by the company and offer for sale by the shareholders. The company is bringing its IPO for repayment and prepayment of its borrowings and for some general corporate purposes. The company proposes to utilize an estimated amount of 3500 million from the net proceeds towards the repayment and prepayments. The company's services comes under the quick service restaurant category, which is the market leader of India in food service profit sector. The QSR services is expected to continue to lead the profit sector in terms of outlet growth during 2020 to 2025. Well, it is the largest franchise of Yum Brands and is also among the largest QSR chain of operators in India with over 655 stores. The company has three business verticals. First, the core brands, second, the international businesses, and third, some other businesses. The KFC, Pizza Hut and Costa Coffee stores in India comes under the core brand category. Its international businesses include the stores in foreign countries like Nepal and Nigeria. Apart from that, the company has its own brand stores also, such as Food Street, Masala Twist, etc. Now let's talk about the financials of the company. Well, its total assets and revenue have shown a significant degrowth over last 3 years. But the most alarming factor is its net loss, which almost remained consistent over the years. As it is a loss-making company, its earning per share would be negative, so we cannot check its valuation. However, the best thing about the IPO is its price band, which is very reasonable according to its market capital and revenues. The company has promoters like Ravikant Jaipuria, Varun Jaipuria and RJ Corporation Limited. Now it's time to know about some competitive strengths of the company. It has some well-recognized QSR brands. It has 264 KFC, 297 Pizza Hut, 44 Costa Coffee stores, and most of all, it is the largest franchise of Yum Brands in India. Apart from that, the company has certain limitations also, such as low interest coverage ratio of -0.12 and high debt to equity ratio of 78.35. Finally, let's know about some details about the IPO. The opening date of the IPO is 4th August, the closing date is 6th August, the price band is around 86 to 90 rupees per equity share and the market lot is 165 shares. So what are you waiting for? Do your own research before subscribing it. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching and we will catch up in the next one.